Good afternoon, YouTube. Thought we'd just do a quick video shoot of the new suppressor that we just picked up. I've been waiting for this for approximately 10-11 months. So I guess it came kind of pretty quick. Here are some of the wait times now are down to about 4 months, so per the gun dealer today. We have the longer handguard to cover up some of the suppressor. As you can see, we received the SRD762TI-QD, and this is the quick detach suppressor for the Sig Sauer MCX Virtus, or any chambered in any 30 caliber, I believe. 300 blackout, 308, 300 Win Mag. I believe this suppressor works for all of those. Make sure you do consult your owner's manual and to be positive that it will work for yours. But we're just gonna quickly show you here setup on the pistol and what it looks like with the current configuration, the handguard, and the newer longer handguard. We did already have the local gunsmith install the QD mount on the end of our Sig Sauer MCX Virtus, so it make it pretty easy for just getting the suppressor on and off. All right, we'll go ahead and unbox the suppressor and show you what it came with. With a manual, and this manual does cover the variations of suppressors that they offer. It does cover the rim fires, the direct threads, and the QD mounts. Like I said, this pretty much will cover it all, and this would be the one that we received. 308, 762 NATO, 300 Win Mag, 300 blackout. How to install it, how to remove it, etc., etc. I did receive back my old flash hider, or a muzzle device, and the suppressor. Not much to the box. There it is. All right, so let's go ahead and get this installed, and we'll see what it looks like. As always, make sure your firearm is unloaded. We happen to know this one for a fact is unloaded, as the actually have the bolt carry assembly out of the rifle, or the pistol. The pistol will look like, if you do not opt and get the longer handguard. All right, with the arm brace fully collapsed, we have a total measurement of, it looks about 29 inches to the end of the suppressor. And with the arm brace fully extended, it looks like we're sitting at about 33.5 inches to the end of the suppressor. As you can see, our original guesstimate that we did with cardboard drawing, and exactly how far the suppressor would stick out past the new handguard. We were pretty accurate. I mean, as you can see, the size of the suppressor, it's pretty accurate. So, all right, so let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and throw on the new handguard, and we'll see how the suppressor looks with the new longer handguard on the MCX Virtus 300 blackout pistol. It is a fairly simple assembly. You pop out the two pins, you remove the lower from the upper. You would then push off the old handguard, install the suppressor, the newer handguard, the new longer handguard. Just be very careful with the finishes on these so they don't scrape and scratch. And we're not putting the inners back in, we're just showing you the setup of the unit. We'll go ahead and put all the inners back in when we're done. And it's that quick. All right. And we have the new handguard installed on the MCX Virtus. Does look quite nice. So you can see the start of the suppressor is right back here. Again, this is the MCX Virtus with the 9-inch barrel, not the Rattler that has the shorter barrel. If you did do this with the Rattler, it would be a lot further back. I believe it's a 5-inch barrel. So the suppressor would sit probably just the end of it would be coming out of the end of this. All right, and as you can see, this is the final product that we were looking for. The MCX Virtus 300 Blackout with the longer handguard and the Sig Sauer QD 762TI suppressor. I want to thank everyone for watching this quick overview video of installing of the new suppressor and handguard, and look forward to getting this out on the range and shooting it. Stay tuned for those videos. We'll get them up shortly as the weather gets better. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.